So, we got here. It's 12 o'clock. Nobody's eating. So we're gonna go eat somewhere and pay $30 for a sandwich. Yay!
No side.
No side. No drink. Nothing.
Get set. Go. About to walk for 2 miles. We don't know if there's sidewalk. We know that there's highway. We're gonna take a chance. Take a chance.
But we made it to Buffalo on Frontier.
I don't know if I'll ever fly Frontier again. In
No.
fact, actually that's a lie. I have to take Frontier back to go home. That will be another adventure.
We're actually supposed to be right here.
We're absolutely not supposed to be here. Found another buffalo. Here we go. Buffalo. This is our train station, potentially. Thought it would be a little bit bigger, maybe some coffee options. They might have a coffee maker in here in the back office.
Potentially legs.
Yeah, I think we're gonna try to walk it. So what's the play?
We're just gonna walk that way. Look, it's Canada.
That's Toronto?
No, it's Niagara Falls. The place we're going.
We're looking at Niagara Falls. They're lighting it up right now. So hopefully we have no issues here at the border. Have all of our documents ready.
I'm so excited! I'm in two countries.
Officially in Canada, past customs.
Go this way.
And we don't have our Wi-Fi turned on. We're just gonna figure it out where our Airbnb is.
Walking towards the lights. Those lights. We will be stopping there.
It looks like more like a hole in the wall.
Change our minds. We're not going Yangs anymore. Because it didn't look like it had good beer. So we're gonna try the works. Okay, just kidding. We are going back to Yangs. Rookie.
I'm doing it so that this doesn't happen here. Alright? Alright? I'm not a rookie. I know exactly what I'm doing. Tafford off of Bar Rescue showed this to me.
Look at all that foam.
I'm not going to be bloated and feel like dog crap. So,
I'm just ready to cheers.
I'm gonna drive. Like, nope. Open the door.
don't do it. Don't do it. You gotta wait. Next up, nachos. And just like that, the nachos have arrived.
What are you going for first?
I'm going for jalapeno and cheese.
Oh my gosh. We ended up where we needed to be.
Beer and nachos. It's gone. She ate it all.
I'm exhausted.
It's been a day.
It's gotta be like 50 degrees.
It's like 70. It's literally 70 degrees. All right, we're gonna fast forward this to the Airbnb. And we're back at the Airbnb.
And we have snacks.
And we have some cake that
It's Canadian.
we think it's Canadian. We're just gonna say everything here is Canadian. This is a Canadian door.
Put your feet into it.
Until tomorrow.
Smells very Canadian. Sweet. Even though technically
You know, we're
it's
still in the
not
United States.
Oh, Canada.
The place I call my
I don't think that's actually the song.
Genovia, Genovia. I did what TikTok told me to do, and now I look bad. Alright, this is not my first beer. Alright.
And I'm like,
I got some. I